I wanted to cry, and then I went to the office, and I met my mother there, and then my mother was like, "What's happening, Tando?" And then me, I wanted to cry because of what happened to me. It didn't get me whereby Abu teacher could not protect me. Every time when I brought my mother, Abu teacher have that thing ukuthi Tando is a bully nanani. Ngakhala ngamtshela ngathi mama kunento so bangishaya ngempama uma mama khona ngibizwa ngathi Thando yathi uyazi mina Thando ngiyamkhipha kule sikole because every time inala ma case azothanda hlala shayo usha and lo muntu lo funny how ngahlangana ne college mengihlangana ne college wasn't umuntu innocent since we were going to the same college after isikole ngalelo langa mina ngiyambheka ngokuthi yazi uNkulunkulu kwesinye isikhathi uyaphila noma ngathiwa wena ungayenza into ungacabangi lo muntu lo wayeza kimi bazongicela imali. I was like, cousin, I won't give this guy money and I won't forgive. I forgive but kunokuforgive but into engaphumi engqondweni yakho ukuthi ike kayenzakala so kwenzakala so and abantu bangunderstand ukuthi okay mhlambe lo mjitha lo mhlambe vele umjitha right asidlalele ekhanda lakhe yabo and I kept quiet and then lo mjitha lo after then angimtshelanga nganginomngane ofaithful vele college ngamthola ngamtshela ngesituation so ngathazi makathi ngamtsheli wayifuza yenza so makamtshela ngathi wathi ufuna simlande thana ngathi no singamlandi ezinye izinto umuntu awumlandi uyamiya kuNkulunkulu adile naye because of into vele mina ubhlungu mina vele ngoma umuntu awukhohlwa wena ungamxolela yena ejethi ukhohlwe but izinto eziso azikhohlwa ihlezi senhlizweni yakhe into sokuthi umuntu okwenza into eso and into.
Welcome to the Dobby Show. Of course, I go by the name Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show, even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing is usual. I got James on my right. I got my man Kanda, 2 story at the time and 1 testimony at the time. Please subscribe, watch the episode until the end, and don't skip the ads. And also donate our details shown after the disclaimer. Thank you so much to those who are helping. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much. May the Lord bless you. Otherwise, Kanda, are we on grace?
Yeah, we are on grace. It's God's time. Did you ping us a chirizi? Yeah.
Sibonga. My brother siyakwamukela, siyakubingelela. Sicela uintroduce ukuthi wena ubani, uphuma phi futhi sithini udaba lokulethe kwi-podcast namhlanje.
Okay. Igama lami Thando Maseko. Ngibuya eZondi 1 ngilethwe yilo. I want to talk about my story and what is happening in the economy. Yes, that's what's brought me here.
Aye, we can start from the beginning, my brother.
I started when I was young. I was hit by a car, which I was hit by a car being shayiswe imoto eGlen Protea Extension 11, and my parents took me eBara, and then eBara when no driver took me there, and then my ngithatha bangisa khona, and then I found a doctor, and the doctor was negligent, and he told me ukuthi azange ngishayiswe imoto angizange ngilimale azange abone next, and then I didn't get any help, and then I started having immediate effects, ngifail esikoleni and stuff, repeating grades, and then I changed isikolo. And then isikolo, and then I saw ukuthi lento le yangilimaza nani, and then when I changed isikolo I found a teacher who taught me some things but I couldn't get because of the accident yangilimaza nani. So after that, after iminyaka ihamba, I went to school, and then a teacher, I was bullied by amakhaladi, and then when they were bullying me, they didn't understand ukuthi ngomuntu slow, I'm wearing glasses, and then they took advantage of me. So I couldn't, and then when I was reporting, they told me ukuthi they can't do anything. They were letting me like to get bullied, and then until there's some other time when I was busy, I was sitting in a class and I found 2 girls who were busy bullying me. And I remember another time I wanted to cry, and then I went to the office and I met my mother there, and then my mother was like, "What's happening, Thando?" And then me, I wanted to cry because of what happened to me. It didn't get me whereby Abu teacher could not protect me. Every time when I brought my mother, Abu teacher have that thing with Thando is a bully. My mother said, "No, if a child is reporting you, why can't you attend?" Another time, I remember another time when I wanted to sit on the chair, they put a chair piece, and then I sit there. I said that mangihlala phansi kanjalo kanti ngiyayibona mengithi ngiyasukuma kanti nayi chepisi ihleli ebrukweni and then ke ngaqala ngalwisana nalo muntu lo but teachers couldn't help me because of uprincipal into eyenzeka kuprincipal mangabe if akathatha izinto serious nabantwana amangabe inabo teacher they have nothing to do
isikole samaKhaladi lesi
isikolo bekuyisikole samakule and then it changed kwaqola amaKhaladi nani so mangabe if like angithi uyazi ukuthi amaKhaladi nawo ayeza mase khona amakule so mangabe leyo nto leyo maceda mina mangifika njalo endlini I was like that guy ukuthi abantu baba nalento ukuthi bullying like kumele ukwazi like usuke uma bullish usukuyibhara but you don't understand what going through mina benginala into ukuthi ifana nokuthi monganaba abangane abazokumela uyi1 esikoleni akho umuntu like nangelinye ilanga I remember bangivalele e-toilet bangikhele e-toilet esiphuma sonke ku after school and then ngacishe ngawela phansi and then my friend came in bangivulela but they sound like it's a joke to them
and
young affect and then I went back to home mama mabuye emsebenzini and told my mother ukuthi kune bullying eso and abamama maka realize ukuthi labantwana laba they don't understand ukuthi uthando uhamba kuphi yabo uthando like slow and umama uzile futhi wazokhuluma ngendaba ukuthi yekelana into eso watshela uthisha was like defensive ukuthi hayi uthando ukubullisha abantwana nani and I mean I was not doing that I was a good guy who uzithandela izinto like zamaZulu ngizithandela nje ukusikhuthi esikhulume masihlangene singabantu yabo it happens nase transporting every time like mangibe esikoleni benginale injabulo but benginganayo injabulo ukuthi mawufika esikoleni like ama uyile esikoleni uba nalento ukuthi hayi mana esikoleni ngiyabhudishwa nana ingakwazi ukungihlala kahle ngihlezi ngitshela mama moya umuntu bengimthemba vele ngihlala naye ngimtshela mama kunento esoyenzekile and mina ngiyasaba ukuthi uye esikoleni because abanye abantu bazothi hayi uthanda ibhari uthanda umZulu njani people don't understand ukuthi ezinye izinto not about you being umZulu is about sometimes ukuthi abantu noma umuntu akubhulisha uyi1 ungenawo amandla abantu bazokuxhaphaza and then my mother went ukuthi aye esikoleni aloku esikoleni and then one day mama wathi no because of lento yayenzakala it's better ukuthi thana ngikhiphe kulesa sikole go e college because nama I told my mother ngibese ngilala eclassini ngiba nalento ukuthi abantu sometimes bangilele bathathe amabhola bangilahlele ngawo and then another time I told myself ukuthi ngcono ngasaya esikoleni because of lento le mayizokuthi yenzeke noma kuthiwa ubhuti bami nyabalanda bazongilwela but it doesn't help anyways ngcono ngekele but I had that one teacher who always believed me in my life and I will call him ngegama is Mr Evans ngiyambonga la khona because uyi umuntu wayengizama life in but ama mistakes noma benginawo but lo muntu lo guide me wahlala nami phansi wathi okay Thando mase kwenzakala sona so mama bengafuni ngiphume kuleza sikole but ngokubona kwami ngathi kumama mami no ngicela singisale sengiphuma kule sikole because mina nami vele ngiyazibona ukuthi umuntu onjani angeke ngize ngilokhu bangiphusha nani mama ngingamtshela ukuthi okay sizahlala phansi uthi mama usabuye lesa sikole ngelinye ilanga uzogcina usibulala ngathi hayi ngcono nami ngisiyeke lesikole leso mama waqala wayebathusela ngamaphoyisa abatshela ukuthi ungcono ngabe ngepolice station but they still continued bayenza the same thing but mina I kept like ngilokhu busy kunalento bekuthiwa yi-sick room ngathi hayi ngcono mangabe kune sick room ngijwayele lento ukuthi ngiyagula and vele bengangiphathi kahle benginalento ukuthi khona that day ngize ngihlele eclassini kunalomnyango kuthiwa kunomnyango nje uhlala ku eclassini yabona mawuhleli man thina amaclass wethu bewani umnyango like mawufika umuntu bekazenzela agijima e-toilet bengihleli ngapha wafika omunye umjita nje wangishaya ngempama kabuhlungu yabo ngibengifaka ama specs so abantu bahleke eclassini and then I cried going to office ngafonela umama ngathi no I'm calling my mother now ngakhala ngamtshela ngathi mama kunento so bangishaya ngempama umama makhuluma principal athi Thando yathi uyazi mina Thando ngiyamkhipha kule sikole because every time inala ama case azothanda hlala shayo and lo muntu lo funny how ngahlangana ne college mengihlangana ne college wazenza umuntu innocent since we were going to same college after school ngalelo langa mina ngiyambheka ngokuthi yazi uNkulunkulu yesinsikhathi uyaphila noma ngathiwa wena ungayenza into ongacabanga lo muntu lo wayeza kimi bazongicela imali I was like yazini I won't give this guy money and I won't forgive I forgive but kunokuforgive but into engaphumi engqondweni yakho ukuthi ngeke kayenzakala so kwenzakala so and abantu bangunderstand ukuthi okay mhlambe lo mjitha lo mhlambe vele umjitha right asidlalele ekhanda lakhe yabo and I kept quiet and then lo mjitha lo after then angimtshelanga nganginomngane ofaithful vele college ngamthola ngamtshela ngesituation so ngathi makathi ngamtsheli wathi uzoyenza so makamtshela ngathi wathi ufuna simlande thana ngathi no singamlandi ezinye izinto umuntu awumlandi uyamiya kuNkulunkulu adile naye because of into vele mina ubhlungu mina vele uma umuntu awukhohlwa wena ungamxolela yena ejethi ukhohlwe but izinto eziso azikhohlwa ihlezi senhlizweni yakhe into sokuthi umuntu okwenza into eso and into ebhlungu ukuthi yena uyakwenza into acanga ukuthi wena ukhohliwe you never forget bullying will always be bullied because mina angithandi into ukuthi umuntu abullisha umoya umuntu because bullying I came from a bullying and ebenga expectanga in life ukuthi into ezosozwenzakala kimi
as my brother lento le ibaluleke kakhulu lento lokukhuluma ngayo because ingane eziningi they go through lento le bullying esikoleni and mayebuya beshe ekhathi nasithatha kancane but asina ukuthi umqondo ibalimaza kanjani ngithi awu njengamanje siyakubona ukuthi kusho ukuthi lento le yakulimaza ngempela uma ukuthi namanje lento le isakuhleli kabi and izinto ebesingayicabanga because asazi ukuthi yabo abazali bayibheka le show bazobona ukuthi ingane mayibuya isithe kungenzeka ukuthi esikoleni umuntu akasukumi kube khona inyathelo nothisha omkhulu othisha esikoleni abayithathayo because ingane ngeke ivele ibuye iqamba mangithi sibani banongishayile kungenzekanga lokho so sithe abazali abaphakama leyo nto leyo abayithathele phezulu so leyo nto leyo ikwenze kwaba nenzondo ugcina usuzonda laba
angenza ukuthi ngibe nenzondo and quite currently like ezinye izinto mina with me I can tell you ukuthi ibullying sometimes abanye abantu they do it because of angeke sithi bayenza ngoba bethanda sometimes it comes from ekhaya njengoba washo Mr Nkomondo ukuthi so like njengoba washo Mr Nkomondo kunabazali ababazali ngoba bekwazi ukuhlangana abakhipha ingane kodwa inembe kuba umzali abanayo abanye abazali kunokuthutha umntwana bahlale balwela phambi kwakhe or they are abused ababafundisa abantwana imithetho endlini ukuthi uma uyesikoleni wethu kuyofunda abanye abazali baba nalento ukuthi baba nale case ukuthi hayi mina umntanami I will always fight noma yenza into wrong umzali uzofuna ukuthi abe phambili athi hayi mina umntanami akabhulishi ngoba mina endlini angimboni nana abe nalento ukuthi hayi ngoba mina umntanami ngimkhulise kanje but you don't know what's happening at school abanye abazali yiba basile kahle masingathi sikhuluma iqiniso abantwana abaningi wena bra Christ I always go to eBhulana I don't know if someone knows eBhulana school eBhulana school is always being like kuba nabantwana ababhulishwayo kube nabantu abazosuka ehostel abantwana basehostel baba bay12 babe njani they come to and say to other people ukuthi hayi khiphani imali after school mawuphuma mangabe ukhipha imali sizokushaya always kumele kube namakhisi ukuthi esikoleni is not besides eBhulana ezinye izikole and emababafutshela labantwana laba kulo ukuthi yekelani into eziso noma seniboshwa labazali beni bayakhala manifika lapha ngaphakathi niphenduka izilima nani yekelani kwenza into eziso abantwana abangafuni kulalela omunye wabanjwa asaqala ukungena kule gangsterism sekathithibela wacishwa waboshwa bamzwela bamtshela ukuthi yekela into eso wacishwa waboshwa abangani bakhe sebabalekile bayenzana nama gangsterism wabo and one thing more ukuthi ibullying vele abanye basuke bayiyenza because banabangani ababhedayo abanye basuke bayiyenza ngoba endlini asazi ukuthi kusuke kwenzakalani
Power of the bullying. Yeah, I think it's tricky when it comes to parents because okay, I'm gonna give you a brief story nyana nga. Izolo mina ngithola message ukuthi my son is being bullied by a teacher. Let's get. Day before ngithola call ukuthi umntana uyagula, uclaim ukuthi uyagula. Ngamlanda esigele ekseni. Obvious yazi mawumbheka umuntu ogulayo maza ngithi
so
ngiyambona ukuthi ngiyayibheka ngiyambuza ukuthi into uyagula aphethwe yabona futhi umntwana umbamba lapha meke uzothi ngiphethwe ikhanda nesiso
it's serious into because uyambona ukuthi ngenze ukuthi ubalekela lento
ubalekela yona so
engabhekani nalothisha
mase ngicabanga izolo ngiyazibuza vele izolo ebusuku ukuthi enhleke vele is it lo muntu bekagula kamampela or bekabalekela yona lento le yalothisha kokunye mangithi tricky because I know that's Phume Igela mina I had friends abebedelele isigela mara futhi thina ithi besifunda eMaromeni sisonta naseMaromeni so some of my friends bengisonta nabo I know their parents, I know emakubo nani. So umuntu adelele sigela mara beka sekasi sisesontweni right ingelosi. So ibuye ngishayela ukuthi like vele like what really like bengizibuza nami izulu ukuthi like vele if yayenza lentwana le like maybe lo muntu uyadelela udelela ngamapha amaqhoze la ekhaya kadeleli yahlonipha babo
right ngithi ngisafuna ukuya lapho
ishaya lapho
ukuthi intwana yakho yayibone umuntu ophansi but futhi ngeke siphela siphike uyabona kodwa nje ama-chances ukuthi engaba yibhuli.
No, in this instance manje bathi utishera uyobhulisha yena.
Sengisho ukuthi yena engaba ibhuthu mhlawumbe ubhulu bambhula esikoleni ngoba ehlupha ingane umuntu ohluphayo.
So kahle what I'm trying to say is this bullying topic it's intercon and asinikezi attention ebhaya and futhi ngifuna ukuthi mayithekilwe ngendlela yokuthi I know kids can be manipulative. Abantwana baba manipulative and they know ukuthi mangenze so mama
uzosukuma hambe
uzofika ngidefend umama. So abantwana ba manipulative ngaleyo ndlela leyo ukuthi ibuyishaya nabazali vele babe tricky. Ngihambile ama case mina egela ngindaba zama bullying nani only to find that umntana wakho you're wrong. You understand? So nje i-trick yona le bullying.
Nanokuthi emakhaya masingabantu abangabazali sibona ngathi ingane yami ngathi ibhule esikoleni. Or thina we don't care as long as kungeyami ibhule ezinye ingane thina like hayi ustrong anginanda. Mina ngisukuma kanjani mangumzali ngibona lese uJayden ngiyambona ukuthi lo ngathi uyibhule esikoleni. Must I go to the school and ngibuza behavior kaJayden?
I came to a conclusion ukuthi I think and this is my opinion ukuthi the one we've been speaking about families and building families like manje sengizama uyi-assessa ngenye indlela ukuthi okay labantwana laba do they have a proper family structure? Do they have male figures around them?
Ngithi ngisalapho kuma brother ukuthi i-timer likhona mhlambe because I think izinto ekanje zifuna i-timer straight.
Ngifuna ukubuza question before uqhubeka ukuthi you mentioned ukuthi washayiswa imoto and udoctor wathi awunankinga and this thing like ungasebenza your kawathenga kuphi your limala kuphi and affecta kanjani ukuthi this thing
with me I can say ukuthi ingaffecte into ezibhaya cause uyabona njengomuntu ofana nami I was not wearing glasses until the day ngichaswa imoto and then ukhohlwa inkinga kakhulu kumina ukuthi mangathi manje ngiyafunda something ngiyakhohlwa nje same time.
You know why I asked this? I suspected that this thing mina this is an advice from me to you ane ngibe ngimamela ukuthi mina ngislow ngifuna ukuthi kuwe mina mama usebenza ngabantu aba mentally ill so sometimes ndoku-argue na ngithi abanye abantu abaguli ngengqondo yithi nje siba conditional and umuntu ugcina I believe lento leyo
uthi slow
like imagine lento leyo ukuthi as a child ukhula about to slow lane ane uyathathwa uyise esikoleni sabantu abaslow that's what I'm against me uyathathwa uyise esikoleni sabantu abaslow naza ngizi-understand especially ezala lokushini angizi-understand lezo yikolo uyise esikoleni sabantu abaslow mawungena kuleso sikolo kunomuntu okhubazekile physically kunomuntu ongakwazi ukukhuluma ongena speech esi-right you understand only to find it when nje awukho slow maybe ugrab information ngendlela ehlukile you understand khona abantu abangathanda ukufunda like mina ngithanda ukufunda I know how I grab information I prefer listening like information ihlala kimi ekhanda mangiyimamela or ngiyibukele and trust me when I tell you this that's the best teacher ever yabona mawukwazi ukubukela into or uyimamela angeke uyikhohle into enjalo compared to reading. So i-challenge engibona ukuthi ikhona la kwi-societies silebula abantwana sithi ba ama-slow simply because umuntu akakwazi ukufunda. We've had classmates mina bengifunda nabantu ababenzwembu nge-maths ne-physics mara angakwazi ukugeleza isingabla. uyabona ukuthi challenge iba kuphi so into engizama ukuthi mawuthatha umntwana uthi slow lane umfaka kule ikolo lezi uyogcina believer vele ukuthi slow lane
because yabona no my brother since lokho mina ngiqala ukukhuluma lokho ngithi mina ngislow uyabona ukuthi lento le yamlimaza lokho ngithetha mina Chris ngislow I'm like
you don't do that
awukho slow my brother that means ugrabha inangizana ngendlela because khona into ohlakaniphile ongidlulayo ngayo but the same mina ngisisoke slow lane khona nami I believe mhlawumbe somehow ngislow kodwa kunento yaziyo inswempo okungidlula ngayo so slow kanjani
mina I can prove to you now yes I can prove to you I had a friend who obekanelo mentality ukuthi slow and I get it where he comes from even nasekhasi bekunalento ukuthi awumjida uslow usoft in to a point ukuthi sasesipata sesicedile isikole he went and worked asebenzela amalawyer and I could see thina sisebenza ngezandla set plumbing senze umjida untswembu right now I can tell you now usebenza imali lo muntu manje uyiboiler maker unenyo uzambela ngeGD6 ushiya abantu abaningi abebembiza slow lane but ufunde igelezi slow you understand ukuthi lento le ebuslow le is a misconception
yeah wena ikhiphe ekhani musukuthi ukuthi and i-confidence akumele ibe phezulu ungayijeli ukuthi mina uzobhulishwa kumele ngotshela umama kumele like toughen up and wazi ukuthi you're not slow you like any other people yabo yeah because into enginothisa ukuthi wena nawe usukufakile container slow and awukho slow uhlakaniphile mawukhona ukuthi uthola amanamba akho uphinde umfonele uphinde uze kushow manje siyakhuluma so slow kanjani because you can hold the conversation
awufethu anyway
nangendlela ukhuluma ngayo smart though so how come you say you slow you just need to toughen up like and you know when you quote the family structures ubaba wahlala naye ukhona ubaba in your life
yeah ngingahlala naye I was raised by my father and my mother
okay
yeah
so manje baba khona mama wakho base together
no broke up
how is your relationship with your father now
kukhulu ngoba uyachatha nami yabo is the father is being there
yeah do you have a time to tell him about what you're telling me now
no I don't
I don't even
because it distance you know sometimes abanye abantu angithi abayithandi kakhulu iWhatsApp you know they are not connected kakhulu ku WhatsApp so like angithi asihlala endaweni eyiwana ngithi akahlali yena la uhlala kwezinye indawo like is far away from la ngihlala khona ngithi yeah
but on the call even noma ungamsend a message umtshele how you feeling you know ukuthi mina baba ngifuna ngika so and ngifuna ukuthandwa ngale ndlela is not wrong
no mina to be with me nginalo uthando oluningi yabo kakhulu I have a relationship nomama kakhulu because of ngiyahlala na isikhulume nang advisor khona yabo yeah
so your relationship with your father I need to distance do you visit him
oh no we don't visit him he comes sometimes to visit us
okay
yeah but wayegcina kudala ukuzivisita because of mhlambe isi angazi but bekangashitsheli yabo but bagcina kudala but he said he might come around yabo but mina ngibonga ukuthi okuningi azange abaleke njengabanye bobaba baba ngithi bayabaleka nani ongikhulisile sahlala naye wayekhona mhlambe kule situation ukuthi kumele bangise esibhedlela yabo noma ngabe if they broke up sometimes izinto ezenzekayo emhlabeni angithi akusizi izinto zokuthi abanye bobaba they do stay nabo mama bahlale forever sometimes abanye they go do you understand me
ukuthi the way ukhuluma khona is very smart yakho slow ngaziqhamukayo serious because how old are you
I'm 19 years ngiyobamba 20 next week
imagine you talking these such things and you're 19 you're smarter than me bro so I don't know so mina kusho ukuthi wena ma too slow but you're smarter than me mina ngislow lokho kokufa phela
slow kanjani wena usibhedela
no yazi mina
umtshengisa ukuthi Ganda he's very smart like
no I do understand but umuntu ofana nami like with me makungathi ngikhuluma iqiniso umuntu ofana nami needs ama practicals not incwadi because
lento esisho
yeah I love that
esisho
now I'm talking our language now nami wena angikhona akwenza incwadi angilo
Yeah. Okay.
mina ngifuna ukutshela kwenziwa owenza paperwork enze paperwork
Yeah.
mina ungitshela ukuthi kwenziwani but I'm trying to say ukuthi akusinkinga yakho wena
Yeah.
ukholwa ukuthi slow but angiyibiza ngithi slow but
Yeah.
angeke ukuthi lesephethe ipeni ngiyacabanga ngishaya isimoko
Yeah.
angenzi lo nto ngaqeda umatric ngathi ngaphuma epeni mina ungitshela ukuthi eChris kumele kwenziwe kanje izinto yabo senze lonto le uma khona enze paperwork enze lo paperwork ukanti wenze paperwork mhlawumbe la yakho i-podcast ayenze mina ngithi angibonga uhleli guys it's practical
Yeah.
so now it's not like you slow you just want to do it practical yabo mina into engenza ngingabuyela esikoleni manje ukuthi basazonginika iphepha mina ngifuna kuyosetshenzwa you know mina ngabe ngiyafunda makuthiwa amaphepha awekho ezikoleni uma kuthiwa nje Chris hamba esikoleni uma kuthiwa khandukana ganda sensimini mhlawumbe sesiphethe amabhawoti sonke siyabona
barazikhona into enjalo
but iqale ephepheni la eSouth Africa ngeke nje uvele ugijima usukhandukana uqale ephepheni
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
the problem.
yeah,
Yabo,
it.
that's the problem.
i-theory angithi bayibiza as theory ukuthi
but I ngifuna ukuyilungisa nyana. Yes, there is theory, but manje isikhathini sano we do understand ukuthi khona abantu abangakwazi ukufunda kahle or abangagrab information by reading kahle. Mina I know ukuthi especially into lezi abo boiler making abo fitting and turning
Yeah.
ugesi nani plumbing yes you need to uyafunda lana but ngathi 80% yayo it's practical because you need and nanokuthi you don't have to go to school ungamthola nje umuntu mhlawumbe one workshop eyimoto ulungisa ufika uhlale naye ufunda iskill
yini njengamanje into oyenzayo nini into ofuna ukusizakala kuyo mhlawumbe yini into
Mina kahle ngibe umama wangifaka esikoleni sogesi. Umama wababuza ukuthi uthando uyisikoleni nenza ama practicals or nenzani but hayi senza ama practicals kuphela they lied. They never told mama the truth. Bangifaka basifaka ku theory straight njalo bekuyi full theory bekunga ama practicals bekuba khona but bebasisa lapho nalapho banga understand ukuthi khona abantu they need ilo ama practicals khona abantu abadinga theory. They never told us the truth because bebafuna imali.
yeah
Angithi but because nami ngiyangabona ukuthi i-theory yangibhayizisa angeke ngikhona ukuqhubeka nge-theory. I want some practicals when I explain to them ukuthi
ikubhayisa uphama practical ngokuthi uyakhohlwa
mhlawumbe ngathi ngiyakhohlwa because mangathi manje yabo mhlawumbe ukuthi inkinga uthini yabo mangathi futhi ne-maths azange i-maths vele iyengibhayisa kakhulu maybe mangathiwa maybe short temper mara with me i-theory vele yangibhayizisa i-theory so ama practicals angcono because ama practicals obvious sonke singawayenza ayikho umuntu vele ongekaza wayenza ama practicals kuma practicals bese ngibamba nyana bese ngithola nyana ukuthi like i-board le switch ukuthi lisetshenziswa kanjani so bona they focused the-theory kakhulu they never focused ukuthi
anokuthi kusho ukuthi wena ulenhlobo impela yami ufuna kudemonstrate ukuthi nje mawuthi ena must describe ufish sithi unama skills engathi ama skills engaba khona eclassini wabo
yeah ama skills ngathi ngaba khona so they never did that.
yabona lama skills engamentionile
Yeah.
no ngisho noma uya ku interview for instance ona lento zabo fitting and turning awuhlali ugcoke itanda
No, I
bakubuza ukuthi what is it bakunikeza idea show us what you can do
ngisholo lokho
These are
kanti
the kind of
ukuthi
interviews or attender you understand and lezo zinto ngizibalele zigcile kakhulu ku physics na ku maths and ufuna ukuyicorrect into i-maths is practical mfana i-maths akusinto uyifundayo i-maths is practical so things you need to practice every day with maths you practice it izingene la you understand I don't choose maths i-maths na it's another thing you need to fix a stigma sokuthi i-maths inzima nana i-maths practical you just need to practice it
yeah should na bread hey hayi ngayibona phela ama scale uthothi mhlawumbe akukhulunywa ngemonto ayibe la uma kuthiwa ivulwa nje umnyango kungakhulunywa kanje ukuthi imoto uma ivula umnyango you pull it, you know, ekhanje kuyovulwa imoto. Kusho ukuthi ngiyakutshela ukuthi kusho ukuthi wena umuntu okanjalo akusikho ukuba dom lokho. And leyo nto leyo ngeke uze uyikhohle because uyibona, ufuna ukubona ngeke uphinde uyikhohle leyo nto leyo,
yabona. Into enjalo. Because vele kuma practicals ke bengizibona mhlawumbe izinto ukuthi ayi switch enzwa kanjani, uyabona, but i-theory bona they were focusing e-theory ngakhulu. Bangasibonisi ukuthi mele sabe sema workshop and kakhulu into aba-explain workshop ukuthi no kahle kahle nina kahle nina benimele ningabe ugesi vele nikhona because uzoya kanjani nge-Eskom ungakwazi ukulungisa ugesi ngoba bazofuna ukukubuza ukuthi into esoyiconnecta kanjani ungayiconnecta manje uhluleke. So that's why isikhathi esiningi bona bebafocus eloneni ukuthi theory bangafocus entweni ukuthi nathi sikwazi ukwenza ama-practicals bewajump ama-practicals ba-business theory. So mangicina kwami angikwazanga maybe bengikwazi but angizange sakwazi ukuthi like ukuthi sesiconnecta kanjani nani igedlela lilungiswa kanjani. So abantu liba nalento ukuthi hayi ngoba ugcoka ama-overall hayi mhlawumbe sekayakwazi ukulungisa ugesi but they don't know ukuthi lesa sikole beba yabona afana nalama angazi noma uyazi college yangapha khona ama college ala eSoweto. Yeah ama college ala eSoweto they do ama theory but kakhulu nokubabona benza ama practicals babafundisa ukuthi practical but ne practical ngithi usegcineni zokumele ukwazi ukuthi ukwazi ukwenza i-trade test yakho na i-trade test still izofuna i-theory but not kakhulu bake bakutshela ukuthi emfethu sicela uconnecte uconnect yonke le wiring ungakwazi. The thing is abantu they didn't focus kuma practicals befocus e-theory kakhulu.
My brother, yiphi into ofuna ukuyenza, into othanda ukuyenza kahle kahle?
Ngathi ugesi.
Ufuna ukwenza ugesi. Yiphi college usuyibona ngathi wena engathanda ukufunda kule college because ngathi benza ama practicals?
Khona enye engayibona bangitshela ukuthi you pay like engayibona maybe eJozi, I think ngayibona eJozi, yeah. Angazi bathi college bani khona enye yase-Midrand ngiyithanda kakhulu so angiyazi igama la sengikhohliwe. Bengiyazi nje igama la bangitshela benginokuthetha nabo ngibatshela ukuthi ngifuna ukuzojoin abathi no level akuhluphi you do the whole of December then after whole of December nizobhala i-test encane nje ayihluphi le test le then so ne certificate ogesi.
So but kumele uye December?
No yabona bavula December kuphela.
So kuba malini izinto kanjalo?
I think it's boma 3.5. Yeah, so ngiyengizafuna ukuya kuyo ngizoqedela ugesi wami ngaze at least noma sengikwazi ugesi sengiright.
So ufuna ukwenza leyo course le?
Yeah, ngifuna ugesi nje kahle kahle because vele bese nginothanda egesini.
But into
i-developile
mina ngifuna before uye college yini le deep down like when ngokubona kwakho before you were introduced to electricity.
Yeah.
Yinto ocabanga ukuthi maybe you were passionate about or into yoboyithanda or sometimes ngaze abantwana babona ngokuthi mhlambe maybe ukuthi uhlala bukela imoto uhlala bukela yona nje mfowethu bekathanda ukungasibisha yabo. So ngifuna ekukhuleni kwakho mawucabanga if you still remember yinto obothanda ukuyenza or you think that you are passionate about.
With me before going to okay think qale ngala mina with me ngitshela I grew up loving uku-act yabo uku-acta bengikuthanda no music bengikuthanda yabo. So uku-acta ngiyengaya nga-attend amaklasi kune-art abayibizwa u-Aubrey Makula be-acta ku-Skeem Saam athe khona bengazi noMaroda Mcafa Skeem Saam makadala nje ngangithoba bomazi uMaroda obvious uMaroda athe khona bekahamba noMaroda okay it's fine. So bekavula amaklasi bengiya ngi-attenda wona because le outlay begijimisa imali kakhulu ifuna boma 6 clipper leyo 6 clipper leyo phela umuntu angithi awusathembi sesidila ngecam nani uthi hayi man singibhadale mara le outlay inkinga abantu abaningi they rent away nami ngabona ukuthi hayi wadla ngazi after ukuzwa kwami ukuthi udla imali zabantu ezamagig azange sakhona ukubuyela but I kept nesikolo ngapha besingibambile mangiqhubeka ngiloku busy ngiloko khona out yanginika ama agent ngatext angitshela ukuthi kuzomela sikulande makungabe like uvalile esikoleni nani because angasikhona ukukuthatha ungavala ngesikole because lento lezo kudisturb ukuthi ungafundi into esesigela ufocus e-exam.
Yabo yithi nguguy tip ke lokho is like a hobby into ongayenza usebenza yabo ama lectures manje ona mali abrook ayikho into engako ngathi leyo into ongayenza njengebhola yo practice uma ubuya emsebenzini. So into ebalekile njengamanje wena hamba ufundele ugesi then uma ukwenza ke lokhu ungakwenza ungafocus.
No sengifundele i-security no.
Wenza security.
Yeah, ngisho i-security no.
So usuyiqedile noma science?
No bese ngiqedile so now I'm going to sengifuna umsebenzi no then after umsebenzi sengifocus on security no.
Oh okay, but no guest December uyafuna ukuyenza.
Yeah, na ngizoyenza because vele
yeah. So okay, njengamanje emakhasi ngabacethu abantu abangakhona ukuthi baqashe as a security uphelele manje. Yeah, nabantu abangakhona ukuthi basize December uhambe uye kule sikole lesi uhambe uyofunda khona uqedele ikhozi yakhe yogesi athi ngoDecember. Yeah, into esifuna ukuyenza manje lezo zinto zoyithu esicela kubantu besicela kumphakathi njengamanje. And nanokuthi siyabonga kakhulu ngeepisode namhlanje sifundise into eziningi. Yabo ukuthi kahle ibullying umuntu im-affecta kanjani kuningi nanokuthi lento yobu-slow lena ubizwa ukuthi u-slow lena noma brother see leyo kusukela namhlanje ikhiphe emqondweni and focus ey'ntweni zakho ezifunayo. Yabona this is the first step now. Uyakhona ukuza kuma-podcast ukhulume ube free. So into ebaluleke kakhulu lena. Umuntu ohlakaniphile akayicabangi lento lo ungesiso slow quick learner angazi noma ikhona yona. Akayicabangi lento ecabangile ukuthi uzokhuluma ngayo.
I don't understand about I nami nje ngiyabonga ukuthi ning advise
cause sihlale phansi sikhulume. No, my brother.
Keep your head up high.
Yeah, no.
Oh yeah.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Sikufisela konke okuhle but nathi sinathemba sokuthi mhlambe kunomuntu ozovela athi hayi ithi umfowethu ngumsize simqhomanise nawe akusize ngoba ufuna i-security ufuna umsebenzi we-security as well as December lo 3.5 ukuthi uye esikoleni uyoqedela ikhozi yakho yogesi. No my brother siyabonga kakhulu. Hayi wangithusa because phela into eyikhuluma yilezi nami enginazo. Manje bese uyibiza nodwa ngesilungu usuyibiza ngeslow lane ungayenzi leyo nto phela manje uyangibhayizisa nami manje yabona mina ngiyibiza ngeslow lane.
Enye into le asithi ukuthi abanye abantu they were born like that. Abanye abantu angithi ukhumbule njengami nje situation yami. Abanye uthola ukuthi that's why elifini bathi abantu bathole imali ze-RIF because abantu angeke basakhona ukusebenza bangayenzi next. So with me I don't say ukuthi mhlambe imoto abanye abantu bayazilahlela imoto. Into emele sale ilungiswe le abo doctor baba nalento ukuthi abantu because umuntu like ulokhunjani ulinyazwe imoto usuka yenza ngamabomu. Into emele ilungiswe ukuthi umuntu makachayiswe imoto usuka ngayenzi ngamabomu okusuka ilahle. Abanye bayenza ngamabomu, abanye umuntu ongazange afise empilweni yakhe, umuntu afuna ukukhuluma akhulu abe yilawyer, umuntu afuna kuba udoctor nani. So what we need to try to fix that ukuthi abo doctor mele bayanabo bake bayiyeke lento le abayenzayo because abantu abaningi they are crying ukuthi abanye bacanga ukuthi banye bazilahlela emotweni they don't even like ukuthi like they pushed like ukuthi yabona njengokuthi nami azange ngifisa ukuba kulesimo engikuso ngikhule ngifuna ukuba yilawyer ngikhule ngifuna ukuba udoctor yabo into eziningi yabo. So I don't know if ama resources nani so we don't know but abo doctor we don't know ukuthi mhlambe yiba ba corrupt or nani.
Azange ngithole ref
azange abaleke so ngagcina nami ngiyeka because bengibona ukuthi there's nothing I can do. Ayisekhezela no azange angithi wabhala udoctor phansi wathi angina next. And sekuledi ke manje ngoba sengimdala and masoshaya 20 there's nothing they can do.
Hey my brothers.
So nami azange ngisabe nalento ukuthi ithi ngilandelele bese ngoba sengimdala vele yabo. Yeah ngoba vele nami kusukuphela kwempilo ngisangaqhubeka
usangaqhubeka my brother.
So into yabo doctor mele we don't know ukuthi maka leyo nto I include abantu ukuthi abantu balokhunjane abantu abangenda ukuthi ama resources amba kanjani. The only into emele ngabayenza ukuthi balungise abantu bahlezi ba right bakwazi ukuthola imali nani because abantu uma ngabe ufutshayiswe imoto akusakhona ukwenza next, especially abantu kwenzakalani ngomuntu eyamchayisa waba yimini Smith. So what we need to try to say ukuthi abo doctors they need to try please basiza abantu ukuthi abantu bangabalahleli isandla,
because nakho kulahlela isandla kanjalo so kwaphela kanjalo.
Yeah, so into emele sicizama ukuyenza ukuthi ubhlungu manje kumele kuloko isicela nje abo doctors basiza abantu bangabalahleli isandla, because abanye abantu because ukubalima imoto uma imlimaza umuntu usuke imqedile ukuthi angasakhona kwenza next, and abanye ucabanga umuntu mangabe imkhipha inyawo into asangayenza. And khona ngelinye ilanga bengiye somewhere I was going to fix something, ngahlangana nelinye itime la khona lalimala. So the time lady went through a lot, wathi le uthi ngiyakimi into eyayenzekala kimi. I was ngesikhathi amabhuni sase ibhilidini bekhona inkabi zazithi ziyangena zasibulala zasiqeda. Mina I couldn't angenza into bengeke into engayenza. I had ukuthi ngijumpe lapha kule nto leya ngalimala. Bengilimala kanti isikhathi siyahamba sihamba inyawo ngaya esibhedlela nje base bangibhalisa ukuthi ngithola imali ngithola imali yeSARS nani. So le awusile mengihleli naye inhliziyo yami ibhlungu ukuthi yazi abanye abantu yakontrol wathi lo muntu lo mina ngeke ngaboshwa into engayenzanga. Ngaboshela nje into engayenzanga. Kuningi nje kwenzakala kimi azange ngizange ngize ngisuka ngabayeka nje kanjalo. Ngathi awuthi yami yazi vele kubhlungu ukuze istory sisoma, and especially awuthi nefana nami mhlawumbe uzisebenzela grand athi abe ngizisebenzela grand nani. Ngagcina sengifika kulesimo engiso manje ngagcina sengiboshwa into engayenzanga. So ngathi mfethu with me we advise amfuna ama lawyer ukwazi ukusuya states, yabo ukwazi ukuthi nawe ukwazi ukuziphilisa, because iSARS ngakuphilisa but nawe kumele angithi wena vele ulo ulinye uyazi ukuthi waboshwe lana azange into yakho azange ubongayenzanga. If you unabufakazi you need to sue the states, that's all you need to do.
And izona ndoda ama-advisor mnandi kanjani? Hayi ndoda no my brother, siyabonga kakhulu. Siyabonga nge-episode, siyabonga nanokuthi uzile. Sithemba ukuthi abantu abaningi bazofunda emakhaya ngale episode, bazofunda nje inento eziningi impela. So abantu abaningi bazofunda. Siyabonga kakhulu my brother. Thank you.